McBurney's point is the point in your abdomen that is 1/3 from the right anterosuperior iliac spine to your umbilicus or the navel. The ascis, the anterosuperior iliac spine, is the bony prominence you feel when you touch the front of your hip bone. McBurney's point is important because it is the usual location of our appendix. Suppose this is your abdomen, the right side, the left side. This is your right ascis, and here in the center is your navel. McBurney's point is approximately 1/3 from the right anterosuperior iliac spine. And when you have acute appendicitis, meaning inflammation of the appendix, this point here would naturally be the most painful location. And when your doctor performs their physical exam, this will also be the point of maximal tenderness, meaning this is the point in your abdomen where pain is felt the most upon palpation. McBurney's point in acute appendicitis.